Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share very helpful use case of the AI that I am frequently using during my development. So, use case is that when you are doing development in your editor, you have made changes and now you need to create a commit and push it online. Sometime you have to make frequent commits, and every time you have to think about the appropriate commit message that what you have done in this task. Okay, and that takes time. So to save that energy and time, there is another solution with the help of AI, that you just get the GitHub changes and paste it to the AI platform like ChatGPT or Claude or whatever platform you are using. So for example, here in this project you can see I have some changes and now I need to add some commit message according to the changes that I have made so far. You can see these are all of the changes that I have made here. So now if you go to the terminal in the root directory of your project where your git is initialized, here you have to type this command git diff. Okay, so it will now give you all of the changes that you have made in your project. So you just have to select all of the changes in this way. Currently all of the changes are not visible, so here if you press arrow down, it will keep loading more and more changes that are there. So if changes are small, then it would be easy to do in this way, but if the changes are too much like this, then it would be tedious to load all of the changes in this approach. There is a better way that you can follow. So the better way is that instead of manually loading all of the changes in the terminal and selecting all of the changes to copy, there is a command line tool that you can use. Currently this tool is only available for the Mac OS, but I'm sure there are several other tools available for other operating system like Linux or Windows. So you can use any of those to do that. So let me quickly show you what I'm talking about. So here, first of all, you have to type the command git diff and pbcopy copy. So git diff pipe operator pb copy. So with this command, it will print all of the changes on the fly, and with the help of pipe operator and pb copy, it will take all of that output and put it on the clipboard. So once you do that, apparently you will not see any text or changes in the terminal, but it is now on your clipboard. So now if you just go back to the AI tool that you are going to use, in this case I am currently going to use the Claude, but you can use ChatGPT as well. So here you just have to type, please provide me or suggest me the commit message based on this. Paste that, you can see, press enter. Alright, you will notice that how nicely it has formatted your commit message. So the first line is always the main headline of your changes, so it has put it in a separate line, and after that it has explained all of the changes in detail in this list. So as you can see, it is saying that it is a feat add user form component to app layout. Then we removed the default Angular landing page content. Then we import and use user form component in app.component, and then we updated the app.component template to display the user form component. So in my experience so far, mostly these suggestions are very accurate and trustworthy. You can just copy that and start using it. But I would still recommend that whenever you will copy that, you should verify by reading this entire commit and then use it. Once you're satisfied, you can hit the commit button, or you can commit by using that commit message. Okay, so for me this is saving my a lot of time and a lot of energy, and I'm sure that this is going to save your time as well. By the way, if you are using Windows or Linux or any other operating system, let's quickly find out. You can also do the same in your computer to find out the solution for you, that alternative to the pb copy. So what is alternative to pb copy in the Linux and Windows? So you just have to ask AI and it will give you the solution. If you already know the solution, then it's fine. But if you don't know, you can easily get the solution from the AI. Like for the Linux, you can first install the Xclip tool and then you can just use echo text. So instead of this, you will use the git diff command, this one, and then pipe it through Xclip and use this entire statement. Then we also have this tool as well that you can use for Windows. There is a built-in Windows command with the name clip that you can use very easily. There is a PowerShell set clipboard tool that is available in the PowerShell 5.1 and later. Set clipboard, you can use that as well. So in this way you can just find out your own solution alternative to the PB copy. Or if you don't want to use any tool, then you can just, if your changes are very small, you can just select all of the changes that you have made and you can just get the suggestion of the commit message. So for example, currently here, let me somewhere add some more changes. Let me add it to the staging area so that it could give me the changes difference for the new changes that I'm going to make. So I have added a variable with the default value empty array. Now I will use git diff. I did not save it yet. Okay, so use git diff. Now you can see the changes are too small and it is very easy to select all and copy them. You can just select all and copy them and go back to the AI platform. Here you just type again, suggest me commit message, like that. Okay, you can see the change was very small, so the commit message is also small, that is saying add users array to the app component. And in the details, in the description of this commit message, it is saying initialize empty users array in app component class. Okay, alright, I think that's all I wanted to show you in this video. If you think this video was helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. And if you have any questions or suggestions or feedback, or if you want to share a solution that is better, then please share that with me in the comments section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.